Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make this stunning lamp using waste eggshells and other materials, which you can easily make for gifting others and also for yourself. Now let's begin. So the materials you need to make this are net, skewers, glitter foam, crepe paper, a print of anything you like, fairies, unicorn or anything you like, newspaper, glue, LED lights. If you remember, this is from Eid Decor, link in the description below, jar, and then finally we need eggshells. Now the first thing we have to do is take a jar and then cut out the fairy from the printout and stick it on the jar. I'm going to be sticking it now with the glue. And I'm just going to cover it more with the glue so that it does not come off. Now I'll cover it up with the net. As you can see, now it's done and this is how it looks. Now I'll be taking this egg and covering this egg as well with the net. I'll be gluing it up the top center. And I have covered the egg. I'll just cut the extra part off. So this is how it will be looking. And then you have to put the LED lights inside. Next you have to stick the square inside to hold the LED lights. Now I'll be covering up the skewer with the newspaper. Then I will be covering the crepe paper over the newspaper. As you can see, they're all done. This is how it should look. And now I'm going to use this green glitter foam to make leaves. They're done. This is how they look now. I'm gonna stick it. Now I'll be doing the same to all of them. As you see, they are done. Now I'll be putting this inside the jar. See, this is how it looks. You can stop here if you want to because this alone looks stunning and beautiful, but now I want to make it more nice and beautiful. So I'm gonna make some flowers using the glitter foam. First I'm going to draw a smaller circle. And then I'm going to draw a bigger circle because I want to make flowers of different size. I have cut out circles of different shapes from different colored glitter foam. And I'm just gonna fold it like this. Now I'm going to glue the end. It'll look like a rose if you can see it. I'll put the skewer in and then I'll be putting the pearl to make it look more beautiful. So this is how it looks. You can see. And I've made more like that. Now I'm going to be covering the skewer with the green crepe paper to make it look like the stem of the flower. I have used the green glitter foam as leaves, and now I'll be putting them in the jar. And that's it. It's done. It's easily made. Looks very beautiful and stunning. This is how it looks when the lights are on of this. And now I'm gonna off the lights of the room. Okay, lights out. See? It looks amazing. Looks beautiful. No one on earth is ever gonna guess this, that these are made up of eggshells and waste materials. This is a good decoration for your room. Now you have seen it, how it looks beautiful and stunning in the dark. The net in this, that works as an extra decoration in this. That makes this look more stunning and beautiful. Okay, now, lights on. Well, that's very easy to make and very beautiful. Now, if you want to see more crafts like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.